Yo, what up, fam? How we doing this morning? Hope we're doing freaking fantastic. It's a great Wednesday. See what we can do. See what we can do. Here we go. Here we go. All right, market's already open, so I'm a little tad bit late. Got caught doing some stuff. I feel as this SPY was pretty trendy yesterday, so I'm gonna look to avoid SPY in the Qs. Let's look at like AMD. AMD might be something. So obviously here I'm trading TLM. It's a strategy we use inside of Freedom Team. It's my favorite strategy, or day trading strategy anyways. I think this is going to end up playing out for, let's see if any of these are pivot lows. Let's go like a 5 minute. Yeah. Honestly, I don't hate this trade here getting short. I don't hate it. I like literally do not hate that. Right off rip. Let's just see. So AMD looks like it has potential. Okay. We may have missed the pullback though. We may have just missed it. I know that was fast. That was like freaking fast. Sorry, that's why I'm late. That's why it happened so quickly. I don't know if there's anything else I'm missing right now. Yeah, AMD is. I like that, but I don't think we're gonna. I think we'll miss it. I think we'll miss it. So, that's fine. It's whatever. You sweetie ava. But whatever. Whatever. But she knows. She knows. I know she knows. Yeah, that one's gonna be done. Okay. Dang. That was it. That was it, man. Look at that. Oh, that was it. Just did not get a pullback. It happened so quickly. That pullback right there. Dang. It's whatever. But I'll go over why. Let me put that up here. I'll go over like the why behind that here in a second. Google pretty trendy. IWM trendy. Microsoft trendy. Dang. Meta. Dang, Meta's ripping. Heck yeah. Nvidia could be similar to. It's pretty trendy. Amazon's gonna be the middle. QCOM probably not tradable, huh? Tesla had a good TLM yesterday. Let's look at it. Play it back, possibly back down to the short side. Let's wait for it to load. Did we pop out here? Yeah, we popped out. See if there's a 5 minute pivot low anywhere. No. Dang, okay. Not a 5 minute. There's a 1 minute pivot low. So 1 minute strong low right here and right here. But yeah, you could look at taking this. If we pop back up, stop above the high. Target down here. I just don't. It's kind of that same thing. I think we'll be too late. It already retraced 50%. I think we'll miss it too. I think we miss it. We'll miss it. Apple. Yeah, I think. Fortunately, I think it's going to be a no trade day, ladies and gentlemen. Unless there's something else that pops up that's not on my watch list here. Missed two. Shopify. No, it hasn't popped out yet today. It's close, but Shopify could be a little supply and demand play. So we ignore TLM for a second. I said none of these are 5 minute pivot highs. Yeah, I'll be a little bit more patient. But you kind of have that pattern we look for, right? We got high, lower, low, break, pull back, target. So you could take that. I'm not going to though. I'm not going to. It doesn't look too pretty. Okay, where's Tesla? Let's look at Tesla. Dang, Tesla went to target. Ah! Dang it. Short day. Well, we'll go ahead and call it. I'll give you a little, anything you guys are looking at. And hello, Ghost. Hello, Ghost. Are you still here? I can answer that question. Dang, Tesla. Wow. God, AMD's probably dumping. Man, look at that. Just so close. So close. All right, let me go over this trade. So obviously it's TLM. So I really like this pivot low, high low indicator, right? It's really helpful understanding. IWM was really trendy yesterday. See how trendy it was? So I don't really like it for TLM. See how there's no, I mean, I guess this is a pivot low. Frick. Kevin, you could. If you took this, I wouldn't hate you. I don't want to take it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. It honestly looks pretty good. I just don't like how this low, is not really, there's no pullback all the way, right? So this could be that pullback, but technically you could short it. We are in a downtrend on the 5-minute here. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, kind of. We're in kind of a downtrend, right? Maybe. We'll keep this on watch. How about that? Okay. Back to AMD. So I really like this pivot high low indicator because it tells me where potential strong lows could be. Okay. So whenever I want, or strong highs, whenever I'm looking for a trend change on a lower time frame, I want to find the break of a strong or significant low. Okay. I also want to see from that, a strong high form. Okay. So if we break a strong low, I want to see a strong high form, AKA right here. Right. So why is that a strong high, you ask, right? So on the way up, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high. Okay. This is kind of where it gets confusing. Let's get rid of TLM for a second. Okay. This low right here, it retraced 50% or more from the 138 low. It also retraced 50% or more from the, from the 138 low. Okay. So if this low comes up and takes out a new high, makes a new high, takes out this high, it becomes strong, right? Making us in an uptrend, right? If we come up and we form a lower high that is retraced at least 50% or more from the previous, aka 139.48, and then we take out that low, that gives me a significant trend change, allowing me to go short. And I would have gone short had I gotten the appropriate pullback. Okay, so that's just like a breakdown of the strategy itself, truly, is that right there. General Motors. Are you saying good morning? Yeah, Kev. I don't know if we'll get it, Kev. You bet, Patterson Arts. Good morning, General Motors. Bro, PLTR is your favorite stock of all time. Trash. Look at that. Trash. Honestly, bro, TLM? TLM? What do you think? What do you think, bro? Taking out this low? Boom. Need to come down, break that low, come down into here. I don't know. We could. I like this a little bit better than IWM there. Target right there. Nice 1.3R trade. I do want to see it make a lower low though here. Yeah. I mean, the rest of the market is kind of red. It's all red. So I don't think it would be a terrible move to take shorts. Kind of seems like the sentiment's a little red. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Bro, it's Christmas season. Come on. I feel like we're going to get it, but it didn't break that low. Look at that. Yeah, I feel as if this is really, really fighting trend. Big uptrend with no pullback. Pullback, get short. Prone to lose, I fear. Now this one, a little different. Let me add this over here. This one, I didn't take the low, so it's not looking A+. You feel me? Tell me that you love me. Anything else you guys see? I'm not seeing jack. That did a 180. Yeah, again, I'm holding off on this because we didn't take out the low at 6173. Equal low. It'll probably end up working, but no break. Dang, it really reacted there. It's crazy, bro. How'd I miss this? Was it risk reward there? Probably not. Barely. Okay, what's his name? IWM, yeah, we're looking at it. But like this we didn't break any low or anything. I guess we broke this one. Should we just force it? Should we just force it then? Let's just force it, and so we can get a trade, and then people can be mad if it loses. How about that? It's not bad. Like, well, like, bro, it's freaking ripping up. So I don't know. I feel like I'm just asking to lose. But you do miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So I'll let Kevin make the final decision, and if it loses, it's on Kevin. Yeah, PLTR, bro. I had a good feeling, but it was just like, bro, it did not set up right. So yeah, if it can pull back, GLD. I don't know how to trade that one. Just looking at that chart. Let's look at gold. We're ripping. Jeez. So we are approaching some higher time frame supply up in this region. Okay. So you do want to be kind of careful getting long past that, and really even you could go a little bit higher time frame, like a daily chart, and see like right up in here. But for a day trade, I don't think there's a setup for a day trade. Let me ignore this. I don't think there's a setup, really, truly, unfortunately. I don't really see. Maybe like a scalp. Like, let me just think. Like you could potentially scalp. Like, so demand zone formed. You kind of missed it, to be honest. 3 to 5 weeks. Okay, then yeah, just go ahead and get long. Go ahead and get long, and put your stop right here. Actually, well, you could wait a little bit for a pullback, but go ahead and just do this. Set this automatic order right there. There you go. There's your trade for the next 3 to 5 weeks. There you go. It's right there. That'd be fine. That'd be fine right there. PLTR gonna pull back? Nope. It's just gonna go. Come on, Alec. You're supposed to take the trade. See, bro, I don't know. It's kind of just asking for us. It's asking for us to take it and get baited into losing. But I really want to take it and take the L. Nah, dude. I'm showing my discipline right now, bro. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Let's look at MSTR. Ooh. Well, this has been ripping, hasn't it? You looked at it before. Looks like. Wow. Huh. So how do you trade this thing, huh? When it just does go straight up. So what are you looking? Are you looking to trade it, buy it? What are you looking for? Okay, let's look at AMD first. Let me just go like this. So it's AMD demand play. 15-minute demand. The dumpage. So we do have a nice liquidity sweep there, kind of stop onto the low. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, Hajime box, but we don't ever take out a high, unfortunately. So you want to see it go like this. So that's like a perfect setup almost. So we have this low, okay, boom, right? Then we do stop on the low reverse, right? You want to see that reversal or that move down have a lower high, and then you enter based off the break here, right? Because what could happen is we go boom, okay, now we get our pullback. Okay, we start to bleed, then we reverse, right? It's like a double stop on, basically. Okay, that's what typically happens because there's no trend change there. I should have taken it. Microsoft. Okay, it's 1 hour demand. Okay, so we got demand right here. I would like to look. Why is that green? I don't like that it's green. There we go. I'd like to look for a lower time frame trend change. I just, again, I don't see that happening, right? We'd have to go boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's not set up yet. Okay, it could set up for sure. So definitely keep this on your watch list today as you go about your day. But hello, chosen millionaire. So definitely keep this on watch, but you want to see lower, or you just do this. Go about your day. You can also do that. I don't really like doing that, but you could. You could do that. Hot nails, baby. Dude. I chickened out. No, bro, it's not gonna hit. It's not. PLTR did. PLTR did. We just needed to break these lows, bro. AMD with the reversal. Bro. I want to take it, but it's so trendy. That's it. Oh, yeah, MSTR. That guy never responded. Frank never responded. Could we behind? Hey, yeah. So make sure, guys, that if you're watching this, go watch my reel or whatever this is, short. Just something annoying that YouTube does. Okay, if this doesn't say live, if it's not red, that means you're behind. So make sure that it says skip ahead to live trading or to live video. Okay. Also, okay, I don't see the subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe for me. Okay, would really appreciate that. And like the video. I'll be my first like. Thank you. And then down below in the description, okay. I got my newsletter. I haven't really posted on that in a while. I got my Twitter. Make sure you follow that. Oops, sorry. Most of you guys will be in the vault. There's also this access to this on-demand trading right here. Okay. Can definitely be helpful. So make sure you click on that and watch that. This is going to hit, isn't it? It's literally going to hit. Yeah. I don't think we'll get a pullback though. Hey, you're good, Frank. That's funny. Yeah, I mean, dude, it's gone on a freaking tear the last few weeks. Just an absolute tear. I would say wait for the absolute dump to happen, boom, and then look to get long because it's bound to happen. Just wait. Just be patient on it. Just don't chase up here, right? Don't chase up here. Wait for let's look at like a daily. Okay, let's just take it from this low, right? Wait for it to come back down to like 350. Okay, that's what you want to look for. Kev, I hope you took this. Alec, you too. Ah. Yeah, you can trade options on IWM. Yeah, it's IWM. Yep. Or in the futures is RTY. Kevin did. Let's go, Kev. Dub this. Dub it, boss. Kevin, you're going to get a win, man. You're just going to win. Let's go, Kev. What's your target, Kev? What's your target? If you break this low, it's over with. Over with. My wife just texted me. Can I get my nails done at 1 o'clock on Friday? Let me look at my calendar. Yep, I'm free. That'll work, babe. You know I said yes. Dang, look at that, Kev. Told you, bro. I just didn't have the ball. I should watch my mouth. Literally perfect, bro. Perfect trade. Oh. Hey, the good thing about it, though, is there's going to be about 100,000 more. Right? So it'll be okay. That was my concern. That's correct. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was my concern on the trendiness of it. We had a very large trend day yesterday. Very large. Very, very large. Yeah, I would say it's pretty. I would argue it's pretty valid. Yeah. Yeah. But what I didn't account for was this pivot low being broke, right? So it kind of looks like we stop on these highs and then we reverse. So us breaking that should have been like, hey, that's a good setup. Honestly, wouldn't hate you if you got out now. Just big volume spike coming down. So it could be buyer stepping in. Just let you know that there. Do, 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 Boom, there it is. There's the dub. Hey, what's up, Nathan? We just missed a IWM. Good job, Kevin. I'll post it in the chat. When people think I took it, just kidding. Kevin got it. Dang. I missed Tesla too, bro. Oh, yeah, I already had that marked, but. Well, see, this is what I'm talking about AMD, right? This is what I was talking about. Did I call that or what? Pays to be right once in a while. Dang, you're in Google. It's printing. I love it. It just kept falling, bro. It just kept on falling. I know you were waiting for a pullback, but yeah, it just kept on falling. Love it. Dude, as long as you have a plan, bro, write it. But yeah, we are coming into demand right now. So cool, y'all. Well, hey. Oh, nice. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and just call it here. Go ahead and call it. You got out in the midline. Bro, nice. Nice quick scalpy. Cool. Yeah, so the reason I didn't take Google is we never popped out. We opened up the inside and never popped out. So the rules are inside, pop out, come back in. See you, Rad. Take care, boss. So that's like the first rule that needs to happen. We need to pop out and come back in. Okay. Other than that, it's a good supply and demand trade for sure. Right. So let's just ignore TLM for a second. Or, in an uptrend, the gap down, taking out a pivot low or a strong low. Boom. Okay. Break your structure. Get in, stop above here, target down to here, right? Good trade when it comes to supply and demand. Okay. It didn't open up outside of it. It opened up inside of it. See? It opened up inside. This is inside. Make sure you have your regular trading hours on. But it opened up inside. Yeah. Oh, Nathan DM. No, Nathan, if you're still here, IWM did leave the zone. Right here. It did leave. Right. That's enough. That's enough to leave. Right. I'll respond to your DM, but personally, I didn't take it. Because of the previous day trend. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. There's even times where like it just hits the line. Like this line is not a hard like support and resistance line, right? It's more of just a general like area, kind of like this, right? It's more of just like an area. Okay. So like this line holds no value basically, right? Like just because it's at 230.53 doesn't really hold any value, right? It doesn't need to close outside for 2 candles. It's typically going to be a little bit better, but if you have a strong high like this, that took out a relatively, pivot low, it can typically work. Cool. Well, hey. Oh, it looked like what if anybody's correct? Yeah. Yeah, yesterday was pretty trendy on Google. Yeah. So typically with TLM, you want to, if the previous days look like this or like this, you want to avoid them. Okay. You want to avoid TLM because typically what happens is the range is like this wide. You typically want to avoid it. Okay. More times than not, you'll lose. Now you can have some pretty good risk to reward trades, but more than often you'll lose. What you really want to see is the previous day look kind of like this. Right. And then let's say we gap up. Right. And then we start to come back down. That's when you want to, so the range looks more like this. Say it looks like that. Let's actually end it like this. Right. So we come down, pull back. That's where you enter, get in. right? So it looks something like this. That's really how you want to play TLM, like that, right? So previous day looks like that. Okay. When it's super trendy like that, kind of want to avoid it. So IWM. Oh, I'm on IWM. Right, IWM super trendy yesterday. AMD wasn't very trendy yesterday. Google, I believe, was super trendy yesterday. Right. This doesn't happen very often, right? Where we have a crazy trend day and then a crazy trend the opposite way. Yeah, it doesn't typically happen, unless if VIX is like through the roof. Same thing here. Big trend day, big trend the other way, right? Typically doesn't happen. See, that's why I didn't take that trade, but yeah, we opened up. Oh, that's Monday. Oh, bro, I definitely would have taken this. I thought this because I was on the 1 minute. I thought this was all yesterday. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that makes this trade, honestly, that makes it perfect. So when did we open? Well, I don't know. It's still pretty trendy. All the way down here. Let's look at that range. I mean, that's 1%. It's not crazy though. It's not crazy though. But I honestly thought it was all the way down here. That's why I was like, hey, no way. That's not too crazy. It's not too crazy. So Kev, don't be too hard on yourself. It was a good trade. Yeah, exactly. It was like choppy on the way up, right? It wasn't like freaking straight up like how SPY was. Like SPY was like straight up. SPY opened up all the way down here. Look at that. Choo! Cool. Hey, I'm gonna call it. Go eat some breakfast, and yeah, no trades from me today. We got some IWM banged, MU. Some people got MU. I looked at it. Tesla. Someone got Tesla. I was looking at it. Just didn't pull the trigger on some today, but that's okay. Just sit on cash. But yeah, IWM was probably the best setup of the day. AMD was good too, but it happened really quick. But cool. Well, I appreciate you guys hopping on, and I'll see you next week. Peace.